food manufacturing R&D tax credits. Hey, I am Ray Alkalai and I'm Alkalai Financial Group. And I wanted to bring up that R&D tax credits for food manufacturers is a big number, money that they can recover from the government. A lot of manufacturers, even if they do recover some of that money, they sometimes miss the boat on things that they do that they don't realize they can qualify for more R&D tax credits. Things like things that happen on their floor, manufacturing floor. So when they create something in their lab, they assume that is qualified. Things that are changed, modified, or adjusted for better nutrition or better process also qualify, but if it happens on the floor, they don't count that in there. So a study, a really good study could actually find these things. And I have a list right here of all kinds of things that qualify that most manufacturers do not realize will qualify them for more money. And if you're leaving it on the table, what's the point? So R&D tax credits, if you're doing process improvements, nutrition improvements, recipe improvements, any of those things on the production floor, not just on the lab or in the lab, on the production floor, those things may qualify, and a good study will find those things and increase your R&D tax credit, which goes against your corporate income tax, which makes you pay less taxes. So if you are in the food manufacturing business, food sciences, you may want to consider having a study done by professionals. Or our organization has specialists in that world, and we can find all kinds of things that you may have overlooked by trying to do it yourself or by somebody else. So Ray Alkali, food manufacturing R&D tax credits. And if you have any questions, give me a shout, share and like. And if you know anybody in that business, send them this video.